Imagine escaping the hustle of Ho Chi Minh City for a haven of nature, just 20 kilometers east. Here, a young family of 5 thrives in a home that seamlessly blends with its surroundings. This isn't just any house, it's a fusion of modern convenience and tropical architecture. Every detail is designed with the family in mind, creating a comfortable space that minimizes its impact on the existing ecosystem. Forget cramped apartments. This single-story layout, spanning 300 square meters, offers the functionality they're accustomed to, with a twist. Gone are the hard lines between rooms. Instead, the design embraces open spaces, encouraging family connection and a sense of togetherness. Since the home faces west, smart solutions were implemented to combat the heat. The unique dual-layer sloped roof deflects sunlight, while the elevated floor provides natural flood protection and promotes air circulation. It's a win-win for both comfort and the environment. Stepping outside, we find courtyards, verandas, and corridors. These are the stars of the show. They're not just walkways, they're cleverly designed transitional areas that blur the line between indoors and outdoors. They offer shade, mitigate heat, and provide additional multifunctional spaces for play and relaxation. Here's a look at the floor plan of the home. This innovative design isn't just beautiful, it's a testament to harmony. It prioritizes the environment, prioritizes functionality, and prioritizes the well-being of the family. This is a home that fosters connection with nature, encourages interaction, and offers a refreshing retreat from the urban jungle.